Ingvar Kamprad was born in 1926 on a small farm called Elmteryd near the village of Agunnaryd in Sweden. From a young age, Kamprad showed a knack for business. He started by selling matches to neighbors, then expanded to selling fish, Christmas tree decorations, and even ballpoint pens. Growing up in a modest household, Kamprad quickly learned the value of hard work and frugality. His entrepreneurial spirit was evident early on, and he was always looking for new ways to make a profit. In 1943, at just 17 years old, Kamprad founded IKEA, which stands for Ingvar Kamprad Elmteryd Agunnaryd, reflecting his roots. Initially, IKEA sold small items like pens and wallets through mail order. However, in 1948, Kamprad began selling furniture made by local manufacturers, marking the beginning of IKEA as we know it today. Kamprad's vision was clear: provide well-designed, functional home furnishings at prices so low that as many people as possible could afford them. This vision was revolutionary in a time when furniture was often expensive and inaccessible to the average person. One of Kamprad's most significant innovations was the idea of flat-pack furniture, which IKEA introduced in the 1950s. This concept involved packing furniture in flat boxes, making it cheaper to produce, ship, and store. Customers would assemble the furniture themselves, saving costs and allowing IKEA to offer lower prices. The flat pack idea revolutionized the furniture industry and became a hallmark of the IKEA brand. Kamprad's commitment to cost efficiency and innovation fueled IKEA's rapid expansion. By the 1970s, IKEA had opened stores across Europe, and in 1985, it entered the U.S. market. Despite his immense success, Kamprad remained humble and frugal. He famously drove an old Volvo, flew economy class, and even assembled his own furniture. His philosophy of simplicity and cost consciousness was reflected in every aspect of IKEA's operations. Kamprad also faced challenges including criticism for labor practices and tax strategies. However, his commitment to sustainability and affordable design helped maintain IKEA's positive reputation. The company has invested heavily in renewable energy and sustainable sourcing, aligning with Kamprad's long-term vision. As IKEA grew, Kamprad faced the challenge of adapting his business model to different cultures and markets. The company's success in international markets was due in part to its ability to understand and meet local needs while maintaining its core values of affordability and design. In Japan, for example, IKEA had to adapt its products to fit smaller living spaces. In the U.S., the company had to adjust its marketing strategy to appeal to American consumers. Each new market brought unique challenges, but Kamprad's flexibility and innovative approach helped IKEA thrive globally. Ingvar Kamprad's story is one of vision, perseverance, and a relentless drive to make good design accessible to everyone. His journey from a small farm in Sweden to creating a global brand is a testament to the power of entrepreneurship and innovation. So that's the incredible story of Ingvar Kamprad and the rise of IKEA. If you enjoy hearing inspiring success stories, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Take care.